Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ahmed Abdullah Muhammad and my metric number is 260537. I will present first chapter, which is introduction and consists background of the study and objective of the study. First of all, math is most important subject in the world and consists of many fields like algebra, geometry, and analysis. It's involved in fields of value. In this research, we involved with 150 students aged between 15 to 19 years old. The objective of the study is to identify a student's background, to investigate the activities done by the students, and observe their progress. That's my part for the group. Thanks.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ramadan Muhammad Faisal. My metric number is 261210. Now, I want to explain to you how our group member use the methodology for the group assignment. We have three methodology that we use in our group assignment. First is mean, second is mode, and the third is median. Now I will explain to you one by one. What is the mean? Mean is the calculation of the number of the data values divided by the number of observation or the number of individuals. This another name for the mean is average. This mean can divide it by 2, which is denoted by x bar and also denoted by u. These two type is distinguished is the formulas. This mean function for calculate the average of non-group data and the group data. The second is median. Median is what is median? Median is the middle of value of data that has been shown and arranged regularly based on the size of the data. Median also used for calculation for arrange the data for smallest to the largest data. Then we can get the middle value. This also median shows that are 50% of the total data or frequency are located below the median and 50% are above the median. The third one is the mode. What is mode? Mode is the data set that value with the most frequency and also mode measure is used to determine that rate at which event occur frequently. This is mode also for non-group and the group data. This is calculating with frequency each data, then looking for the value, then most frequency, that one that appears frequently. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, now for the data analysis and result part. Okay, firstly, we will look at the student demography analysis. Okay, in the student demography analysis, we will look at their gender first. Okay, for the gender, 51% is representing the female, while 49% is representing the male. Okay, and you can see the graph here. Okay, the pink one is the female, while the blue one is the male. Okay, next is the age. Okay, students who are age 15 is the most, where they represent 53%, while students who are age 18 and 19 are the least, where both of them only represent 1% of the whole. Okay. Next, we move to the analysis related to topic. Okay. In analysis related to topic, we want to see whether what factors that will affect the student final grade in their mathematics subject. Firstly, we look at the total study time. Okay, as you can see on the mean, students who study for 5 to 10 hours and 10 hours and above, they both tend to possess greater mean, where they are at 11.55 and 11.40 respectively. Okay, this shows that study time can actually affect student final grade. Okay, the next is extra hours in curricular. Okay, we want to also observe whether the extracurricular activity also can affect the student final grade. Okay, based on the graph, as you can see, okay, students who participate in the extracurricular activities prove that they can get greater result in their mathematics final grade, and it is even greater than the student who did not participate in the extracurricular activities. Alright, same cases also happen from the internet access. Okay, student who did not have who have internet access shows that their result is better than the student who did not have internet access at their home. Okay, this shows that both the extracurricular and also internet access have some impact which can help the student either to achieve great result or also to drag their result in the final grade.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Fahmi Yusuf Muhammad and my matric number is 2670113. Today I would like to talk about my part. My part is data and analyze and result. So first and foremost, I want to identify whether the mother tongue will have an effect toward their final grade mathematics. If you see this figure contains two types, the table and pie chart. So the pie chart is talking about the table of mother chop. The table of mother chop is contain also three types: number of student and mean, and also the standard deviation of the mean score of study. So the mean and the table of mother chop is contain like teacher, surface, other health, and at home. While the pie chart is talking about the weekly study time. So the highest and this chart of mean scored the student mathematics grade in final grade relation with the mother's job. So the highest number of mother's jobs working is like 5 to 10 hours. So let's proceed to the next slide. However, also I want to identify whether father job will have an effect toward their final grade in mathematics. As you see in this figure is consists two types: table and table and bar chart. The table is talking about table of mother job, while the bar chart is talking about the table of father job. If we start in the table is talking about the number of the table of mother job and mean, and also the standard deviation of mother job. While the father job is also talking about the grade of father job, first period until the final period. So if we saw this bar chart, he making fluctuation, and also he started the teacher at home. So it consists teacher, surface, other health, and also at home. So let's proceed next slide. So this slide I want to talk about the measurement of relationship between number of school absent and student final mathematics grade. So as you see in this figure is talking about table and bar chart. The table is contain number of student mean and student deviation of mean score of students in the relationship to the number of school absent. While the bar chart is talking about also the mean of the score of the student in mathematics grade in final grade in the relationship with their study time. So next slide. Next, in this slide we measure the relationship between travel time from home to school and the student final mathematics grade. So this figure is talking about the same. The table or budget is talking about the same thing. And so if we start in the table is talking about number of student mean and student deviation of mean score of a student in relationship if there's travel time to home to school. While the bar chart also is talking about the mean score of the student in mathematics grade in final grade in relation relation with the travel time to home to school, from home to school. So next. So finally, we measure the relationship between romantic relationship and student final mathematics grade. As you see this figure is contain table and bar chart. The table is talking about the romantic relationship, and also the bar chart also talking about the same thing, romantic relationship. So the bar chart contain yes or no, while the contain yes or no. The number of students who say yes, they contain 117 people, while the number of people who say no relationship, they contain 33. So that's all our part, and thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Kausar Hussein Ahmed. Today I would like to present my part, which is conclusion. First of all, factors that lead to achieving higher grade in mathematics according to the research. It contains three parts. First one, access to the internet, which is borrowing internet for more access and connected with people. In addition to participate in extracurricular activities, which is also contain two parts. First one, physically and mentally active, and also increase honest and concentration. And finally, study for 10 or for 5 or 10 minutes hour per week, which is up and practice make perfect, and also extra revision. Thank you so much, and that's all my part.